Here I have a DCN692 framing nailer type 2. It's got a flexvolt battery with 2 bars on it. I'm going to show you what's wrong with it. Right, here goes. It's not sinking the nails at all. Well, to get into trying fixing this, first thing you could do is remove the magazine, which involves taking out these 2 screws and this screw, and take a look if there's any paper from the strip nails jammed. That's one thing you could do. Second thing is you have to screw off these screws on the side. There's one of these on each side. It's just a 4mm hexagon you have to use. Well, with those 2 screws out, you can actually remove the back. You pull that out. What you've got is 2 springs, and you've got this, which is called the profile. And you check for evidence of oil, because these are built to run dry. Some people oil them by mistake, and that stops them sinking the nail properly. But this one seems okay. And the next thing is take a look at these springs, check for any breaks. No, they seem intact, they seem quite good. And this profile, it could be signs of wear there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try replacing this profile and to see if that fixes it. If you compare the old one and the new one, I don't know if you can see that, but there is signs of wear in the old one. But I don't know if that's significant enough. If you want to buy this profile, this new profile, that's the part number to put in, N486032. If you put that onto eBay and write that air number and Dewalt, it'll bring it up, and it's probably about £50 or £60 to buy a new one. And this machine's well worth that. Remember, that part number only relates to the type 2 model. Type 1 and type 3 are different. It's the same setup, but they have a different profile for some reason. Next thing is to remove the T20 screws. There's 3 T20 torque screws holding this whole assembly on. I'm going to slacken them. That's it removed with the 3 screws out now. So I have to take this thing apart in some way. Right, there's a couple of little caps on the end of these. See, they slide off. So I have to take those off. You have those off, you can slide the springs off. Yes, and then the profile comes off. This is the first one of those I've ever done, so that's why I'm finding my way with this one. So just fit the new profile now, like that, on the springs. Washer. This little thing. And slide on the end. And repeat the process on the other side. And that's it reassembled now. Just slide this in here somewhere, do we? It was in here, like that. And that's the bracket that holds the profile down. Let's see, I think I made that on upside down. Yeah, figured it out, it goes this way. There's only one way it can go. Don't think I can do this bit wrong. We'll see. We will find out soon. Yep. Slots on nicely there. Yep. I'll put in the screws again here now. I'll put this together and try it now. Just slide those on. There's 2 slots for them to slide into. Yeah, that was upside down. We'll try the right way now. See if it works. That's better. Nice. Yep. Now it's time to try her out. Right, with the new profile, and I'll give her another try. Nope. That hasn't done it. So there's something else wrong with this machine. I'm going to have to dig deeper.